Welcome back. Economic Offence Cell of Goa Police has cracked one more case of illegal land sale of NRG and NRI Govins. Police has arrested accused Francis Alvaro de Souza for hatching a conspiracy to sell a plot belonging to a Mumbai-based doctor. Francis sold this land to Estevan Elvis de Souza, who is also involved in fraudulent sale of land belonging to Goa's first Arjuna awardee, Dr. Otilia Mascarenhas. Economic Offence Cell of Goa Police has arrested Ponda native accused Francis Alvaro de Souza in connection with fraudulent sale of land. Police has now booked him for attempting to sell a plot of a Mumbai-based complainant doctor, but police is suspecting that Francis may be a key accused in many other fraudulent sale of land belonging to NRIs. Accused Francis attempted to sell a plot measuring 350 square meters located at Porvorim to another accused, Estevan Elvis de Souza. Francis Alvaro de Souza impersonated as real owner, namely Francis Ansem de Souza. Estevan Elvis de Souza has already been arrested for illegal sale of land belonging to Goa's first Arjuna awardee, Dr. Otilia Mascarenhas. The court has granted Francis 7 days police custody. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Animal Rescue Squad in Ponda has nabbed wild boar poachers. Tukaram Naik and Pritesh Naik were detained while poaching a wild boar at Talauli Tarsai. They had laid a trap for the wild animal. A team of Animal Rescue Squad nabbed the duo red-handed and handed them to the Forest Department. Both the accused have confessed the crime but claim that the trap was laid as the wild boars were destroying their property.
पोचिंग जाता अशें आमकां पयलीं इन्फॉर्मेशन आशिल्ली मातशी अंदाज आशिल्लो तर आमी त्या एरियान पेट्रोलिंगाक गेल्ले आनी त्या टायमार आमकां हे सगळे अशें सांपडले दोग जाण रानदुकर मारला तांच्यान आनी व्हरताले सो त्या टायमार तांकां धरले आनी फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाक रोखडो फोन केलो आनी तांकां फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट हाडलें तर हे आतां पळोवपाक गेल्यार अशी खूब केसीस जाल्ले आसा की लोक पाशे लायतात रानदुकर धरपाक सोंशे धरपाक पूण रानदुकर सोंशे अशेंच न्ही आतां लास्ट टायम मार्चान अशी केस जाल्ली तातूंत बिबटो सांपडलेलो आनी बिबटो मेल्लो तर अशे तरेन आमी आमच्या स्वताचेच निसर्गाचें डिटोरिएशन म्हणटा एनवायरमेंटल रिचनेस म्हणटा ताचें डिटोरिएशन करता आमीच स्वताची वाट लावन घेता हें आमकां कळपाक जाय.
The sub-divisional forest officer says both the accused have admitted the crime. Officials say people, instead of laying the traps, should report to the forest department.
Compensation आणि आम्ही पब्लिकांक एश्युरन्स दिता की त्यांच्या पासून अवेअरनेस हाडटा की तुम्ही हे ट्रॅप लावचे न्ही तुमचो जर समज लॉसीस जाता दोग जाणांक अरेस्ट केल्ले आसा थंयसर जे प्रॉपर्टीचे ओनर आसा आनी ह्या दोगांनी आपली गुन्हो मान्य केलो आसा आनी तेंचे नांव आसा तुकाराम नायक आनी प्रितेश नायक आनी दोगूय जाण तळसाय तळावले रावपी गाई बोरा पासून नाल्यार आनी खंयचे भायल्या जनावरां पासून तर तुम्ही आमकां रिपोर्ट करचो हांगासर भायल्या प्रत्येक रेंजीर आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी ती एप्लिकेशन्स ती प्रोसेस करून आनी एक्टा प्रमाणे जे प्रोविजन दिल्ले आसा गव्हर्नमेंटान ते कॉम्पेन्सेशन आमी तांकां दिवपाक शकता.
4 leopards have died in such traps laid for wild boar in last 1 year. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Wilred Leisure Sports Club from Curtorim have won the Gold-Silver Rolling Trophy Inter-Village Football Tournament. Wilred Leisure defeated host Navelim Sporting Club by 5 goals to 4 on penalties in the finals at Rosary Ground at Navelim. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.